need to sit down for a minute. It's the end of the day on Monday, babysitting day. And that all went really well. As soon as he went home, I did some more purging in the art room. There's just stuff in here I haven't used in at least 2 years and I have duplicates of things I don't need duplicates of. So they're all gonna go. I'm not gonna rush myself, but they're all gonna go. Anyway, I haven't gotten much of anything else done but chores and babysitting, but that's okay. And we're working on using our words, and because he is 3 and doesn't fully understand communicating, we yell and sometimes hit. So we're working on that, and we're fighting having nap time. So Oma has resorted to the reward system, which works really well with kids. And so if he really wants to watch tablet, then he has to take a nap and he has to behave. And that seems to work. And yes, he can't just randomly watch tablet. He's 3. So we watch educational videos. Yeah, hello. Before anybody asks. Anyway, it's after 6 and now I'm hot. But I got done up here what I wanted to. I didn't think I'd get it done this afternoon, but I did. And I also, this morning early, I got the vlog edited and scheduled and everything for this week. So we're doing good. All right. Did I film any of the purging? No. I do have a section I am going to film. And will it be in the vlog? Will it be its own video? I have no idea. But I think it's well past time to purge the small bitch bank. Blah, 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 blah. Well past time to purge the small bits bank. And for those that don't know, I have this bag of little like mixed media parts and stationery and things here. These little drawers. And maybe some of this stuff on top. Some of it I want to keep. Some of it I haven't opened in God knows how long. And it probably needs to go. So, yeah. We'll go through it. I mean, it may end up that I don't get rid of a lot. The point is not to downsize and minimize what I have. It's to make sure that what I have I can find, and that I'm using it or will use it, that it's inspiring me. All of those things. So, all right. Enough jabbering on. I'm going to go downstairs, have some dinner. Maybe do a sketch tonight, and yeah, we're all good. I'll be back. Hello, everybody. It is Thursday morning. I know it's been a couple of days. I have been busy drawing like crazy, following sketching Scotty's lessons, and I will show you what I've been doing. We did objects, and then we went to buildings. So let me turn the camera around. I did these lessons. Turned out pretty good. Relearning about perspective. I don't think I've had this in-depth of lessons about perspective since high school, maybe. But that's not a bad thing. It's refreshing me, and also I'm loving learning his style of drawing. It's fabulous. Anyway, then I started, after breakfast this morning, doing some more purging. Some things I'm just not using. They're cluttering up my space. I'm not using them. They don't make me happy. And they need to move on to somebody who they will make happy. So I've been giving them to friends and family first. So I'm not going to rush and like go through every single thing, but I do think today is the day we're going to go through the bits bank. Yeah. All right. let's get it done, shall we? Seashells. If I need seashells for something, I'll just go buy some new ones. More seashells. Why is this in my drawer? I don't know. Okay, there's a few things we need to sit at the table to go through the drawers.
You're not going anywhere, are you?
Nope. I'm a sweaty mess now. And I emptied like a dozen boxes. That's a lot of stuff to, like, clog up your space. We're gonna get some things out of the closet and look at them next. I'm a sweaty mess now, but I will no longer have beads in the closet. I haven't done anything with beads in a long time. Every now and then I want to pull them out. I kept the ones that I want to keep. Everything else is going to go. I do have a bunch of stuff to relabel. But I'm going to put all of this away and in the purge pile and the storage container. Oh, what are you doing? And the empty storage containers in the closet, and have lunch. Because I'm done now and I need to sit. Is there more to purge? Maybe. Maybe. But I'll be back. Before we sit and eat lunch, we're going to relabel everything. Because if I don't label it, I forget where I put it. So, all right, let's get to it. Hello, everybody. It is Saturday. I did not pick the camera up yesterday. I don't think I did. And if I did, I didn't do it for very long. Yesterday, I did a lot of errands and chores. I actually got almost no creative stuff done yesterday. I did make myself some reference cards to go with my sketching. So some are from downloads, template downloads from Sketching Scotty, and other ones were ones I found to remind me about perspective, because I'm relearning about perspective. I don't think I've done so much work on perspective since like middle school. Sorry, I'm trying to do something one-handed. Because son-in-law is still out of town until tonight. I also helped out with the dog and the grandson and all the things yesterday. So I did that, which it meant I didn't have a lot of free time. Plus it was family dinner night, so not a lot of free time to get anything done. But I just did let's see, this is lesson 7 in the section from Sketching Scotty's Patreon for buildings extension tutorials. And this is drawing an old cottage. And here's my cottage. Turned out pretty cute. And so I just got that done. Just a few minutes before family dinner last night, we found out a dear friend of ours passed away yesterday. So there's that. We knew he wasn't doing well, but it was still unexpected. His wife called us last night, and we will be attending the memorial whenever that occurs. They don't know when that's going to happen yet. So, yeah. Anyway. All right. Bob is off at the fireworks booth. His Masonic Lodge is selling fireworks for the holiday and to raise some money. So and they do it every year. So he's off helping this morning and tomorrow morning. And then he's going to come pick me up and we're going to go help the daughter with a couple more things. And yeah, I'm hoping to get one more lesson done today. The next one is how to add trees and plants. And then hopefully 2 tomorrow. And then I'll have 2 left before we have other obligations that we need to do. And the next section is people. People, I don't know. So anyway, learning a lot, having fun doing it. And I'm excited for lesson 10 because it looks like there'll be some tips in there for painting water because I see a bridge. So, all right. That's it for the minute. I'm going to let that dry and clean up my mess. And watch a couple short YouTube videos, drink my vitamins, and then we will be on to how to draw trees and plants. I'll be back. Hey guys, it's Saturday evening. It's been a long day, but it's all good. Helped the daughter out with some more stuff. Bob also volunteered at the fireworks booth for his Masonic Lodge. And yeah, the short story is we got a lot of stuff done. And he's off right now picking up the son-in-law at the airport because he's been out of town helping his mom. Anyway, what I want to tell you is I got 3 more lessons from Sketching Scotty done today in the buildings section. I got the cottage done. I got the plant and trees, and I just finished this one. Pretty happy about that. Tomorrow is a new day and a new week, and there's a lot going on, and yeah, anyway, all right. That's it for the minute. I'll be back. Hey guys, yeah, that's for next week's vlog. It's been a crazy week, another crazy week. Why am I surprised? Anyway, that's it for this week. I worked in what I could when I could. I had a day where I couldn't work anything in, and that's just what happens sometimes. Don't beat yourself up about it. I'm not going to. All right, that's it for this week. Please go out and take care of yourself. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. I will reply. Any relevant links will be in the video description. And like, share, and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. Above all, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I may take a week off because of the holiday and things are crazy and there's just a ton going on. So if I skip a week of vlogs, never fear. I'm still here and I'll be back soon. Anyway, that being said, I don't even know if I'm going to do that for sure, but we'll see. All right. See you next time. Bye, guys.